Okay, beta. Now we were moving towards the archaeological sources. So, apart from building and monuments, archaeological sources include coins, work of art of the period. First of all, we will discuss about buildings and monuments. You know what is the meaning of building and monuments. Most of the building and monuments constructed during the modern period are sound condition even today, and we can visit them such as the Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate in New Delhi, the Gateway of India in Mumbai, the Victoria Memorial in Kolkata, etc. We can find these buildings and monuments in almost all important towns and cities of that period. Interestingly, many of the present day's government offices are run from the buildings constructed during this period, especially the British period, such as Fort William in Kolkata is the Army Command headquarters. Okay, beta. So there are many buildings and monuments which reveals the information about the period in which it was constructed. You can see in the picture Gateway of India, which is situated in Mumbai. In the same way, India Gate is situated in Delhi. Rashtrapati Bhavan is also a good art of the time of Britisher. Rashtrapati Bhavan was prepared by Britishers. In the same manner, there were different monuments which was constructed by the Mughals, like Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. Okay, so these monuments and buildings also provide many different types of information, and still many of the buildings made in the past were still in good condition, and we visit these monuments and historical buildings. Okay, not only this, coins issued by the government authority depicts the contemporary times. Also, the metal used in them show about the prosperity of the rule. Also, the work of art such as painting depicts the times well. As camera had come into use at this time, the photographs of this period form a very important source of information of this period, as we can know about the clothes and lifestyle of this period. Okay, so beta, coins and work of art, this is also an important source of information. Okay, through study of coin we can find out what was the economic condition of that time, how prosper or wealthy the king was. In the same manner, through the study of work of art, we can find out about the interest of the ruler. Okay, I hope it is clear to you what are the archaeological sources. In fact, sources of information, we have covered in sources of information about the literary source and archaeological source. Still, if you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.